A variety of tests are being performed, very accurate tests. Among those, I think the most important would be the 19 holes test, which is performed to ensure a pitch accuracy of ±1 micron, which is very impressive. Edward, could you explain us this process a little bit more in detail?
With a pleasure, Caroline. Yes, as you mentioned right before, the 19 hole plates is a test from a lot of tests which every CAD-X has to go through to make sure that we met our GF standards, which are quite strict. So therefore we prepared a video which we want to present you now and go more in detail. Here we see our plate with 19 holes. We have this plate for all our sizes of the CAD-X machine to make sure we can deliver everywhere the pitch accuracy which we promise. These 19 holes we machine within 30 hours of erosion. After we finish the plate, we give it to our colleagues in the measurement department, and they use one of the most accurate measurement machines to make sure that every hole which we machined before on the CAD-X machine has a pitch accuracy which we promised. So not only between the single holes, but it's also really important for our customers to have the pitch accuracy about ±1 micron on the whole travelway of the machine.
Thank you very much for your very clear explanation, Edward. But I have some questions at this point. I heard there are 19 holes. Why are there 19 holes and not, for example, 4?
Yeah, that's a really good question. We could make it simple, cut only the 4 holes, and then, okay, we have this pitch accuracy. But finally, we never know where our customers are placing the part in the machine. And to make sure the customer will enjoy the pitch accuracy about ±1 micron, which we promised to him, doesn't matter where he places his part. We decided to make this pattern on this plate, so we make sure we can guarantee the pitch accuracy which we promised.
That makes sense. But also I want to ask you, I heard there is a machining time of 30 hours. That is a long time. Why not less? And also, can it be a quicker process if you reduce the diameter of the holes, for example?
Exactly, this is what we could do. We could do reduction of the diameter, or we could even do less holes to be faster.
I was sensing there was a but coming.
Exactly. There's a sense behind. I mean, we want to make sure that even if our customers have a long machining time, to keep the pitch accuracy which we promised, and therefore we decided, okay, we have to find a way, because also we have customers, they have parts which takes 50 hours or less. So we decided 30 hours is a good average to make sure the thermocompensation is working, and also we can keep the pitch accuracy of ±1 micron.
That is impressive, I gotta say.